So one more tutorial is the bed kit. I am not going to glue all of it together because I plan to paint separate pieces separately, but that's what you're gonna have in the kit. You're gonna have the headboard with this thing that is attached to the engraving. That's the one I'm not going to be attaching because I want to paint it first. You're going to have a back piece again with this thing that I'm not going to attach because I want to paint it first. You're going to have two side pieces, back and front, and you're going to have the bottom piece, which I didn't bring for some reason. But yeah. So basically what you start with, it's a very simple kit. You start with gluing those side pieces to the railings over here. I use Gorilla Wood glue, literally holds the buildings together, and sometimes I use baby sharks. So normally while that dries, I would say that now glue this piece of the headboard to this piece and those two back pieces together, but I'm planning to paint this white and to stain this piece. That's why I am not gluing them together yet. So yeah, basically the only thing I can do while the glue dries is wait. Okay, so while the glue was drying, I actually made myself useful and went to get the bottom piece. I wanted to show you what is the idea of what we're gonna get in the end together with this bedside table that I'm making. So yeah, that's the bed we're gonna get at the end, sort of like the final version. So yeah, so that's pretty much all the tutorial. Then you take those side pieces and insert them in the headboard, and I mean glue them. It's gonna be kind of hard a little bit to squeeze them in, but I promise they fit. So you glue those pieces like that, and then you glue them to the back piece of the bed. So yeah, that's the shape that you get. After that, what I do, I slide this bottom piece in here, and then I flip the bed over and attach those pieces, like those supports, like that. So I glue them after I sort of put this thing in, just to make sure they're in the spots where I need them to be. So yeah, that's it. I do not glue this thing, and it just occurred to me that maybe I should because it doesn't make a lot of sense that it's removable. But anyways, so the only thing left to do, like for me in my case, is to glue those things. This space is left like without anything intentionally, because that's where the mattress is gonna be and the pillows and all that jazz. This piece, that's why I sanded those pieces, because see the laser cut wood, it leaves those like marks, to make it less visible. Those poles do not cover it because I feel it's not gonna look as cool as if those like lines are wider, but I'm working my way around it. Anyways, so far sanding seems to make the surface more even if you paint it. So yeah, that's it. That's the idea of what you're gonna end up with. I cannot see if anything is visible at all. So anyways, that's the bed. That's the bedside table. So yeah, this one is gonna be white with stained lines. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.